Hey guys, it's marcraftsy here, and this is a new setup video for my Pocket TN, which hasn't been updated in the last 3 months, and this setup you see right now was done with the Planners Anonymous Baked with Love kit, and I love it very much, but it really needs a little love, just a little one. And I have received my book lover kit also from Planners Anonymous, and I just thought that I will record a very quick setup video for you guys. So stay tuned for the end, because there will be also a flip through for you. I am back with a very quick flip through of my new setup with the book lover kit of the Planners Anonymous. And as you know, you might know, I am not a big fan of stuffing my pockets with things I don't use. So I used this used the die cut and made this pocket for my front, so I can always reach to my stickers. This is the first dashboard and it's still not really so the glue is still not dry, but this is how it looks for my monthlies. And on the back side I just made with a scrap a very quick pocket for myself. And this is my first dashboard using just a few stickers, a die cut, and also paper scraps on the other side, because it's a double-sided dashboard. I decorated both sides of the paper, and the other side is I used this huge succulent die cut, which I cut apart and glued all the parts around this card and used some washi tape to accentuate it. And now I won't be able to get it back. Oh yeah, I am. And there are papers I use just in themselves because they are good just the way they are, like this one. I don't even need it to anything to do with it. And there is only, I just love this vellum, so I left it as it is because I love it so much. And the other side of the dashboard is again a paper, and I used the other part of these beautiful stars. I just cut a square out, and without really measuring, I just cut it in half, stuck the two parts together and stuck on a die cut. And the other side was the very first dashboard I made, and honestly I didn't really care what it looked like. I just started to put down these washi tapes and it just shaped itself, so to speak. And the last one is the vellum, which is very lovely, and also this paper is very decorative in itself, so I didn't really do anything to it, just left it as it was. And I have stuck in the back pocket a few of the remaining quote cards to kind of decorate. And because I love this washi tape, it's very nice, and actually it looks very good with my rose gold TN. I just stuck a stripe of it on my pocket. So this is how it looks for my pocket TN, and I would like to make another a B6 size TN because I am but I just want to get my health and fitness TN a bit more nicer, and I am waiting for the next Planners Anonymous box for that to arrive, and I hope you will join me for that setup also and that unboxing also, and I will see you back then. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please consider subscribing. Thank you for joining me. Bye.